how can I selectively escape percent symbol in Python strings? I have the following code. I would like to get the output. What actually happens?
Alternatively, as of Python 2.6, you can use new string formatting, described in PEP 3101, which is especially handy as your strings get more complicated.
Try using %% to print %sign.
You can't selectively escape %, as % always has a special meaning depending on the following character. In the documentation of Python, at the bottom of the second table in that section, it states, therefore you should use. Please note the explicit change to tuple as argument to %. Without knowing about the above, I would have done. With the knowledge you obviously already had.
If you are using Python 3.6 or newer, you can use fstring.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.